Alright, so so I have a series that looks like this. I start with x, then I have 3x over 9, and now I do 4 times 3 times x over, that was 3 times 3, so I'll do 9 times 9. Let me write that as 3 times 3. Plus 4 times 4 times 3 times x over, what was the next one? 27 times 27. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so because the pattern doesn't start till here, I'm going to leave out this x and just add it back in at the end.
Okay.
Alright? And that was our area of our original triangle.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now I'm just going to look at this series and then I'll add the x back in later. Okay. And it looks like I can take a 3 out of the top, actually a 3x out of the top
Yep.
of each one, and a 3 times 3 out of each one. So I'm going to factor 3x over 3 times 3 out. And in the first one I get 1. See that?
1
Plus, now can you tell me here, this is going to be a little challenge. So I took out the 3x and I took out a 3 and a 3 here. So what am I left
So
with?
you're 4 or 9? 4 9s?
4 9s. And what am I left with here?
You were left 16 over 81.
Yeah, and I'm going to write that as 4 9ths squared.
Plus 4 9ths cubed.
And that pattern is going to continue. 4 9ths cubed all the way out for infinity. That's how our pattern goes.
And each time you multiply 4 9s times 4 9s, it gets smaller.
Yeah, it gets smaller. So we already think that this whole sum here is going to actually be less than 2.
Wow. And then
Right, because 4 9ths is less than a half.
So when you square it and cube it, you're getting less and less
Yeah.
amounts.
Now I'm gonna have to take just a tiny little detour here and tell you. I'm just gonna tell you a formula because I don't need to go into too much detail about it now. If I have a series that like this, 1 plus a squared plus a cubed plus this will sum up to 1 over 1 minus a.
that's interesting.
Yeah, so the 2 one you already know about. The half one. 1 plus a half plus 4 plus this. So 1 over, what's 1 minus a half?
Is a half.
And what's 1 divided by a half?
Is
2.
1, yeah, 2.
1 divided by a half is 2. So here we have a is 4 9ths. So this is going to be 1 over, what's 1 minus 4 9ths?
Is negative 5 9ths.
1 minus 4 9ths.
And that's going to be positive 5 9ths.
Yeah, 5 9ths. Oops, I wrote 4 9ths. 5 9ths. 1 over 5 9ths. And what is 1 over 5 9ths?
9 fifths.
Yeah, 9 fifths.
So it is a little less than 2.
Yeah, it is a little less than 2, just like we thought. So this ends up being 3x over 9 times 9 fifths. And what is that?
That's 27x over 45.
Yeah, and there's actually even a way you can
3x over
simplify.
5.
Yeah, that simplifies to be 3x over 5. And this is the area of all the little bits I added in. Remember I left out the x in the beginning? So I got to add in an x, and what do I get?
You'd get 8x over 5.
8x over 5.
That's it. So
So
is
whatever our original area was of our equilateral triangle,
it's going to be finite.
the area of the Coke snowflake ends up being 8 fifths times that area.
Unless x is infinity.
Yeah, but hold on. Let's talk about it. Let's talk about that now.